Hey, what's up everyone, this is Tulsiram from Codon, and in today's video we are going to unbox Samsung 970 EVO Plus. Is it really worth buying? Because this SSD card is around 5000 rupees. That is very expensive for a 250GB model. I have been using this SSD card for around 2 years and this is the latest production of it. And is it really still worth it? Let's begin the unboxing. So as you can see, the package is pretty good and it looks pretty nice and durable. And here you can see the label Samsung 970 EVO is here, and then there is a manufacturing date. As you can see, this is the latest batch, which is like 2022 8/10. So this is year, month and date. This is the latest package packaging here, and there is a seal. The cost which is printed here is around 7049 rupees, but the actual price you get is around 4800. If there is a discount offer, then you will get it around 4500 as well. So now it's off. Now inside the box you get this box is pretty durable, and the external casing here. Okay, now inside the casing you get your SSD directly. Just remove it, and this is your SSD. Okay, now let's talk about the specs and see what this particular SSD offers that other SSD don't. So this is your Samsung 970 EVO. Let's see the specs that it offers. It is powered by V9 technology, and this is a Gen 3 and X4 NVMe M.2 SSD. Okay, and it can bear a temperature of around 0 to 70 degrees Celsius. Usually during testing, we found that the SSD was getting pretty hot, but during an extreme work situations. So that work situations were tested, and but in normal like situations where you do a normal basic video editing or photo editing, or you do a normal browsing, then it won't get affected. You also get a speed of around 3 GB of read and 3 GB of write speed, both at simultaneously. You also get a random read of around 4 KB. Okay, you have 6 lakhs IOPS random read operations. Next, you also get a 5 years of warranty with the SSD card, which is a very good thing, because as you can see on the box, which is a 5 years of SSD warranty. With this SSD you also get the Samsung Magician Suite software, which you can use to update the drivers and also see how long you will your SSD last and what is the present performance, temperature and all that, which is a very good thing when compared to other company SSDs, because a reliable software is very important when you are having an SSD which is lasting for a long 5 years of period. And this is an industry grade, which means it will last very long, and it is also pretty durable. And if you are interested in buying this particular kind of SSD, then use the link below in the description to get 15% off from Amazon, and you can avail this offer only on this particular given link below. So if you want to see how to install this particular SSD for your laptop and to know if your laptop support this particular SSD, then you can go to the link below, which is a Samsung SSD site, which will tell you if your laptop supports an SSD card and which particular SSD card you should buy for your laptop. This is a very great site. I recently found it, and there is also one more site from one of the other storage companies, but I remember, but I'll add that particular details in the description, and you can read the full test of this particular SSD in our website as well, which is bluetext.in. Please go visit if you are interested. Here is an article which you can check out, where I have listed all the different SSDs which are available in the market based on the different technologies, based on the price points, and which one are good and which one are not. So if you like the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, stay home and stay safe.